third biggest improvement that we delivered in vProtect 3.7 is snapshot management. Currently we support that for Citrix, Ref and KVM. My name is Marcin Kubacki, I'm Chief Software Architect at Storeware. Snapshot management is actually one of the supporting technologies around the backup itself. So imagine that you have your hypervisor with virtual machines and there is a vProtect solution in there. Now, periodically, you would back up whole virtual machine and store it somewhere in file system, in enterprise-grade backup solution, or etc., etc. Now, the problem is, and we quite often you are actually quite often asked for snapshot management capability. So instead of exporting data every time, this can be hundreds of gigabytes or even terabytes, we actually leave these snapshots here. So that allows you later to roll back to particular state. Quite often, it is, let's say, 1 hour, maybe even less than 1 hour, without the need to transfer all of this data. So periodically, vProtect can create snapshots according to your snapshot management policy and leave just few of them, like few versions of these snapshots for a certain amount of days without the need to export actual data. Now, why we have called vProtect 3.7 Multiverse? So technically, snapshot management as the biggest improvement in vProtect actually manages alternative realities, alternative universes of your virtual machines. So Multiverse, that was a natural choice for vProtect 3.7. If you would like to test new vProtect features, application backup, snapshot management, Kubernetes support, go to vprotect.io and request a free version of vProtect. Thank you for your attention. See you soon.